extending healthcare services to people living in the periphery of its operational areas has always been a priority in Tata Steel's periphery development and corporate social responsibility plan. With hospitals that have been set up in the rural areas and by introducing mobile healthcare units and organizing health camps, Tata Steel's healthcare services reaches out to around 4 lakh people in the villages of Odisha every year. The company's healthcare services are rendered through 3 hospitals located in Joda, Sukinda and Belpahar and dispensaries at Bamnipal, Bileipada and Gobarghati. Besides, mobile healthcare clinics have been introduced in different parts of the state to provide healthcare facilities to the people living in remote areas.
ये भाया रिमोट एरिया अच्छी जो मैंने लोक मैंने पाऊ ना किसी स्वास्थ्य तंगर कौन स्वास्थ्य अवस्था से मैंने जानिया को जानी पाऊ ना एटा दीटा काम करुच्ची एक ट्रिटमेंट्स मान कर मैं अवेयरनेस भी तंकर बढ़ाऊँ जे तुम यहाँ तुमको निहाती ट्रिटमेंट दरकार फीवर होची तुमको निहाती ट्रिटमेंट दरकार आ सेटा जदी सेही जो येटा मैं तांका पाखरे पहुंचू से माने बहुत खुशी होउछंदी.
In addition, Tata Steel has facilitated infrastructure for various public healthcare facilities like the construction of an ICU in Bolangir and community health centers at Bori and Kuhika and upgradation of infrastructure at Keonjhar District Hospital. Tata Steel also partnered with the leading international cleft care NGO Operation Smile to provide free corrective surgeries to those born with cleft lip, cleft palate and other facial deformities in Odisha. With the support of Tata Steel and Sir Dorab Tata Trust and Allied Trust, Operation Smile organized its first ever international cleft care mission in Bhubaneswar from 19th April to 26th April 2012. Tata Steel Hospital at Joda in Keonjhar district is a fully equipped hospital with specialist doctors in pediatrics, gynecology, medicine, ophthalmology, surgery, orthopedics, anesthesia and ENT, operation theatre, blood bank and facilities for ultrasonography, biopathos investigation, ECG and X-ray among others. Importantly, this is the only hospital in the district that is equipped with a state-of-the-art intensive care unit and facility for laparoscopy.
अल्ट्रासाउंड करके देखले जिंदी कहले कि स्टोन है आउ एठी ऑपरेशन हे जिवो तापर फोन नंबर रखिले रखिला पर तांकर मशीन आसला पर हमको फोन करके कहले तापर जिंदा हम आसिलु आसी करी सब चेक कले कला पर आउ एठी ऑपरेशन कर देले पैसा पत्र किसी नहीं मागणार आम ऑपरेशन हो गले
मोर बारंबार पेट बथा होतला तारपर बाहर बहुत टंका खर्च हेबा होतला सेति मोठकी आसली टाटा स्टील तरफ मोर मागणार ऑपरेशन कराला मोर पर सस्त अनुभव करछि.
Post expansion, the hospital has 75 beds and 6 cabins which cater to the healthcare needs of the local people. A new surgical ward and a new pediatric ward have also been added to the existing facility. The 50-bedded hospital at Belpahar in Jharsuguda district has the required facilities to treat various diseases. Similarly, in Sukinda, where the company has its presence, Tata Steel has set up a 30-bedded hospital. This caters to the healthcare requirements of the local population there. At Kalinganagar in Jajpur district, where the company is setting up a 6 million tons per annum integrated steel plant, a modern dispensary has been set up at Gobarghati to cater to the healthcare requirements of the local, including the relocated families of the Kalinganagar project. Besides, the company has set up dispensaries at Bamnipal, where the Tata Steel's ferroalloys plant is located, and at Bileipada near Joda in Keonjhar district. As part of its social commitment, Tata Steel is implementing Project Sathi for treatment of people afflicted with HIV/AIDS. The Sathi Community Care Center is located at Bahadurpeta village in Ganjam one of the most vulnerable districts in India as far as AIDS affliction is concerned. This was initiated in collaboration with the Odisha State AIDS Control Society, Bhubaneswar in December 2006. From June 2008, Tata Steel Rural Development Society in collaboration with the Catholic Bishops Conference of India is running the center. More than 2,200 HIV/AIDS patients have been treated at this center. Tata Steel is the only corporate to take up such an initiative. Apart from distribution of medical mosquito nets in malaria-prone areas, the company has been active in the malaria eradication awareness program in the state.